फर्स्ट तो जब 24 तारीख को होने वाला था, I thought we'll get inundated because it was orange alert or whatever it is. And like a miracle, the weather held and everything went off beautifully. And I was amazed to find a packed house on the 24th at NCP, a little theater, which was marvelous. It was so heartwarming, incredible. And today, it's still raining cats and dogs out there, and you people have arrived. I am really, really thankful to all of you, personally and collectively. I'll be very plebeian, very down to earth. I'm a gangster, a hitman, a killer, like that. That laugh. Okay. But at the end of the movie, you start doubting, is, is he as dark as it looked in the beginning? That very shortly is my character. I don't know if I have been able to explain it. I'm not all that dark. Thank you.
देखिए, कुछ एक किस्म के मैसेज नहीं है इस मूवी में. देयर आर डिफरेंट लाइक लेयर्स ऑफ मैसेजेस एंड मेटाफोरिकल वेज ऑफ मैसेजेस. पर अगर बहुत ही प्रिसाइज वे में मुझे कुछ बोलना है तो बस यही मुझे बोलना है कि आप री रूटिंग ये शब्द कब सुनते हो? जब आप जीपीएस लगाते हो, कोई डायरेक्शन लगाते हो, गलत रास्ते पे जाते हो, तो जीपीएस आपको बोलता है री रूटिंग. वो बोलता ही जाएगा री रूटिंग जब तक आप सही रास्ता नहीं पकड़ोगे. तो कभी कभी क्या होता है कि आप सही रास्ता तुरंत नहीं पकड़ पाते हो एंड इट स्टिल कीप्स ऑन सेइंग री रूटिंग. वैसे ही लाइफ में आई फील इन दिस रश ऑफ लाइफ हम लोग को भी लाइफ बहुत सारे ऐसे रेड फ्लैग्स देते हैं इन द टर्म ऑफ री रूटिंग. बट वी ऑलवेज डोंट फॉलो इट, वी ऑलवेज डोंट सी इट, एंड देन वी रियलाइज अरे वो रास्ता क्यों नहीं किया, रुका क्यों नहीं, एंड सो दैट वाज द मेन ओवरऑल. अगर कुछ बोला जाए दैट इज द नेम ऑफ द री रूटिंग, दैट इज द बिगर मैसेज. बट इसमें एक से बहुत ज़्यादा मैसेजेस हैं. So you have to watch the movie to find out your own message. हमारे तरफ से कुछ हमने दिया है. This movie is a kind of movie that I would say कि जो भी देखेंगे they'll have their own interpretations, and as a director I want that. I want कि आप लोग अपना interpretations create करो.
सो ब्लैक एंड वाइट हम लोगों ने बिगनिंग से तो डिसाइड नहीं किया था कि ब्लैक एंड वाइट करना है. पहले तो कलर ही था, फिर इवेंचुअली एज हम लोग स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते गए, कॉन्वर्सेशंस हुए, फिर जब भी कोंकणा से बातें हुई तभी रियलाइज हुआ कि ये दो कैरेक्टर्स का स्टोरी है, लोकेशन का इतना नहीं है, वर्ल्ड का नहीं है. ये दो कैरेक्टर्स के साइकोलॉजी और सिमिलैरिटीज का स्टोरी है. सो हाउ डू यू नैरो इट डाउन एंड emphasize on that? And then we also saw this Netflix show called Ripley, which was a huge, I think that was the first initial moment that after a lot of conversations with her, and then parallelly when I watched Ripley, I was like, this is the boat scene. One of the boat scenes in Ripley reminded me a lot of what Avinash sir's character was doing in the end, that is trying to hide the evidence. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, but if you all have seen the film, you all will know. But it and everything really narrowed down in a way that your focus was on what is the character doing, not where he is. Although in Ripley he was in the ocean, with our film he's in the middle of nowhere in a jungle. But it didn't matter, the location didn't matter. It was what the character was doing, how he was doing it, and the way it was represented in black and white, the grayscale really took our focus off everything else and got into the psychology of the character. How is he going to do this? And then the later incidences that happened also was like, stay with the character, because you don't want to get out of these people's minds and what they're doing or what they're going to achieve. So I think that led us to really believe in the power of black and white, because otherwise it's very difficult to stick to that decision, I feel,
yeah,
of black and white.
yes.
तो हम लोग, मैंने कोंकणा को भी ये पहले से बोला था कि अगर हम लोग डिसाइड करें ब्लैक एंड वाइट, वी विल नॉट स्विच टू कलर, बिकॉज उस हिसाब से कलर होगा, उस हिसाब से लाइटिंग होगा, उस हिसाब से कपड़े होंगे, सो उस हिसाब से हम लोगों ने सब कुछ काफ़ी प्लान किया था इन टर्म्स ऑफ लाइक क्लोथिंग के कलर्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्या लाइट्स यूज़ करेंगे, हार्ड लाइट एंड सॉफ्ट लाइट, एंड हाउ टू ब्रिंग दैट light and shadow to create the mystery, to emphasize on what the character is going through internally. Like everything was a very calculated decision in prep, which was very scary because I kept asking her till the last day that are we sure this is what we want to do? Whereas even in post, I asked her, I was like, are we sure? Because it also looks good in color. I mean, obviously, there's a lot more information, the world changes, but are we sure we want black and white? And she was like, yes. So I was like, okay, this is like a great, confidence that let's do this and surrender. जो कैसे भी जिसको देखना है देखेंगे, जिसको पसंद है पसंद आएगा.
This is a marriage because एक stage pre-production का जो stage होता है, I love this woman as a talent because आप जब लिखते हो, आप खुद direct करते हो, and then you end up acting in it. So it's too many hats, and it's very easy to get lost खुद के दुनिया में. So you need somebody who will be asking you the harsh questions. कि ये क्यों, वो क्यों, but why this, why that? Isn't this the easy way out? तो for her हमारा जो pre-production होता है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा solid होता है. इतने questions हम लोग करते हैं एक दूसरे को, and then ये क्यों है, ये वाला light क्यों है. पहले जो हमारी फिल्म थी written by with the question mark at the end, वो 16 मिनट का एक short film है. उसमें she was even adamant about कि लाइट का पैटर्न क्या होगा, जो लैंटर्न्स हो गए उसके पैटर्न क्या होंगे, उसके मटेरियल क्या है. सो वी हैव अ वेरी थरो प्री प्रोडक्शन एंड ओनली देन कैन आई बी अ लिटिल बिट मोर कॉन्फिडेंट ऑन सेट कि मैं एक्टिंग डायरेक्टिंग दोनों कर सकूं. बिकॉज जब मैं एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ तो सब कोई मतलब इट्स ऑलमोस्ट आई एम द लास्ट वन टू बी डूइंग इट. तो एट दैट पॉइंट आई नीड टू ट्रस्ट माई सिनेमेटोग्राफर बिकॉज शी
Absolutely.
इज माई आईज बिहाइंड द कैमरा. And मेरी एक चीज़ है कि I'm not only just lucky to have her in my team, but I have to mention this, my editor Dada, Amitabh Dashgupta, because I think she'll agree with me on this thing. हम लोग जब script finalize करते हैं तो हम तीनों पहले पढ़ते हैं उसको. And he
Including
also-
the editor.
Including the editor, Mridul and myself. तो एडिटर भी पूछता है कि ओके हाउ डू यू वांट टू डू दिस. तो ये भी पहले हमारी एडिटिंग पहले डिसाइड होती है बिफोर वी गो ऑन सेट. तो वी नो एग्जैक्टली. अभी देखो इतना प्रेपरेशन आप करोगे तो ऑब्वियसली सेट पे इम्प्रोवाइजेशन जो होती है आपको पता है कि बिना मूवी को अफेक्ट किए वो इम्प्रोवाइजेशन कैसे अलाउ किया जाए. सो आई थिंक द कैमरा पर्सन एंड द डायरेक्टर slash actor slash producer, I couldn't have done any of my projects if she wasn't on the team, and I don't want to explore anymore. I just want to keep working with her and keep growing together. I was very adamant about couple of shots जो हम लोग बैठ के story board भी बनाते थे बहुत पहले, and दोनों का अलग process था. Like she used to watch something, जब भी उसको कुछ मतलब लगता था कि हाँ ये हो सकता है हमारे फिल्म के लिए, तो she used to recommend me. I would send her some references. एंड एक स्पेसिफिक सीन है हमारी मूवी में जहाँ पे कार बॉनेट खुला रहता है, एक लड़की पहले रहती है फिर पीछे से ये आते हैं. वो हमारे आई थिंक दैट वाज द लॉन्गेस्ट डिबेट दैट वी हैड, दैट शुड वी डू इट, हाउ डू वी अचीव इट, एंड आई वाज वेरी एडमेंट कि नहीं मुझे ये चाहिए. तो एंड शी मैनेज्ड टू डू इट. सो दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ वर्किंग विथ हर कि लास्ट मोमेंट तक शी पुशेस मी कि आर यू श्योर यू वांट दिस एंड हाउ डू वी डू दिस. But then the beauty comes कि if she is convinced कि director को ये चाहिए, she will make it happen. That is the beauty. जो भी resources available है, उसमें she makes it happen. ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे को इतना बजट का चाहिए, उतना बजट का चाहिए तो ही मैं कर पाऊंगी. She is very flexible and she understands what I'm thinking. She tries to understand. तो ऐसा तो हुआ है हमारे प्रिपरेशन. इसमें बहुत सारे सीन्स है दादा, आपको मूवी
ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स है. मतलब एक सीन कुछ it can take you anywhere. It will reroute you. Every scene is rerouting you. So it's
every location, as she rightly said one day, कि location reroutes you. Every moment there is a different pace. Something is happening. So I cannot mention any one specific scene because then it's like leading to the other. So
I think it's a graph from innocence to like mystery to like then finally, the vulnerability of the character. I feel like it's a full graph of both the characters, not just one character's.
And then finally, a mysterious end.
Yeah.
Well, that is the last twist, I think. Absolutely unexpected. बट व्हेन यू सी इट,
Yeah.
अगर आप देखते हैं तो पता लगेगा कि हाँ यही होना चाहिए था शायद, और ये भी हो सकता है कि आप ज्यादा मांगेंगे उसको.
Writing, this is my first time doing a psychological thriller, and this is all like my team's first time doing a black and white project. Writing wise, it was very hard initially because I think like my not strength, but at least the section jahan pe I've been pointed out as a writer I can do well is creating the relationship. So I had to put aside this burden, though I'm writing a psychological thriller, and first focus on the characters. Ki characters ka relationship kya hai. The moment I started focusing on that, then everything else kind of came into position. And also the seed idea was there ki ye gaadi ke andar karni hai. There's a reason behind that. But challenges I faced a lot because I didn't want to बहुत सारे ड्राफ्ट्स हुए थे एंड यू नो आई डिडंट वांट टू मेक इट प्रीची आई डिडंट वांट टू बट आई आल्सो वांटेड टू गिव द सटल मैसेजेस एंड अ सटल कैरेक्टर आर्क का चेंज मतलब एक रात में यू कैन नॉट बिकम लाइक फ्रॉम ए टू ज़ी वो कुछ ज़्यादा होता है बट आई एटलीस्ट वांटेड टू टेक माय कैरेक्टर्स फ्रॉम ए टू बी पॉइंट तो वो चैलेंजेस थे एंड आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल रेड द ड्राफ्ट एंड दे गिव देयर ओपिनियंस you know and she we did a lot of reading हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा रीडिंग करते थे to understand the pace because I did not want the pace to go down and एक और चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में थी कि मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए कि audience can ever go ahead of the protagonist. I always wanted the audience to be at par with the protagonist or
One step
behind the protagonist but never ahead of the protagonist. So those were the things that I knew I want to achieve. Abhi, it just keeps on script. If you have a solid blueprint, the story keeps on adding until the edit level. So the challenges for writing it was hard, but we figured it out. I mean, I just didn't want to go preachy, and I didn't want to fall into the trap of, you know, abhi बैठ के समझाना है कि ये कैसे हुआ, क्यों हुआ. Let people figure it out. I just wanted to leave a couple of question marks and still give my message. देखिए अमिताभ बच्चन सर ने देखा है that is like a big thing for us young filmmakers and even for anybody but I would say कि it's not just about अमिताभ बच्चन सर अगर मतलब आप में से भी कोई देख के हमें अगर आके कुछ बोलोगे मूवी के बारे में तो it's equally gonna make me feel happy and proud. Amitabh Bachchan sir, I'm just grateful that he took out the time, he watched it and उनको इतनी अच्छी लगी ये movie. He's given a heartfelt message and he also feels like it's very refreshing. Everything was very natural.
Will you read it out?
I can read out the
I
message.
think it's worth reading it
Yeah,
out.
so the message
Please.
that he...
I just couldn't believe it, what she was saying.
So मैं read out कर रही हूँ the message that he wrote to me after watching the movie. Well done, Kankana. So refreshing to see your work. The story, the direction, the performances, all so natural and done to perfection. Many congratulations, and I feel a certain pride that I know you. Love and all the best.
Incredible.
Amitabh Bachchan.
That
So
line.
this was-
I feel a certain pride that I know you. Nothing can be more than that. मेरा तो chemistry सबसे ही चलता है. I have a great chemistry with her as well. Because I did not underestimate her, but I thought maybe she's a college girl or something like that. Her face is so unlined and so fresh and as if there is no thought behind her. Totally deceptive face. And later on I realized that she is quite something. The chemistry with her evolved as we did the film because I have never worked with her before. I didn't know her before. And she came to me one day and saying that I met you at such and such place. Can I meet you again to discuss a film, a short film, where I want you to be featured? I said, yeah, okay, I'm open. Yeah, please come over. And that's how I met her. The chemistry बढ़ते जा रहा, मेरे ख्याल से ये खत्म नहीं हुआ.